PewDiePie and T-Series, who will reach 100 million subscribers first. As a matter of fact, both have subscribers above 90 million on their YouTube channel. Let me think first. T-Series, which is a huge film production company, and on the other side, PewDiePie is a Swedish individual YouTube content creator. Comparison between both of them is absolutely nonsense. It's like a war between an ant and an elephant. But as of now, the thing is, both the channels are about to hit 100 million subscribers very soon. Even the channel of YouTube itself is having 28 million subscribers. T-Series and PewDiePie both are biggest competitor on YouTube. On numerous occasions, T-Series overtake the PewDiePie, but with the help of other YouTube creators like MrBeast and Logan Paul, PewDiePie gives very tough competition to T-Series. If I'm not wrong, T-Series resembles only India, whereas PewDiePie resembles whole world. Am I right? Talking about the live subscribers count on both the channel, I can see PewDiePie have more subscribers than T-Series. PewDiePie has currently 935811023 subscribers and T-Series has 931555070 subscribers. But every corner of the world is gossiping about these two YouTube channel competition. This would be extremely interesting that which channel will reach 100 million subscribers first. So as of now, I'm closing this video. If you like my work, then please give a like. You can comment also, you can share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.